What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. This is Draven from the future. Yes, here I am. Today, we are checking out Attack on Titan Season 4, Episode 1. I cannot wait to dive on in. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoy Attack on Titan content. I'll be watching the entirety of Season 4 right here on the channel, so please check it out. Also, full uncut reactions will be on Patreon, so go check that out, link in the bio. And without further ado, let's get to reacting. Let's go! Rhina!
Hey, this is no place to be right now.
Who the fuck are you?
So fly away.
Oh my god.
You've got wings. Use them. Falco! Brother, why are you here? Good.
Yo, Falco.
Go, move!
There you go.
I'll carry you back. Try to hold on.
Oh my god. Bro, the animation's already better. Oh my god.
It's definitely a step up from the other 3 seasons, the animation is.
Like that. And there were Titans too.
What the fuck?
Okay, it sounds like we're gonna have to re-explain the entire
what?
operation. Just do your best to keep up, Falco. Here goes.
And this shouldn't really be a surprise, but they lost half their damn battleships
Damn.
in the process. So of course they're too chicken shit to do a single
That boy's
thing
fucking-
until we've taken this massive death trap of a mark for them. Screw every
Falco's
single one of
cooked,
those
bro.
stupid incompetent
Udo.
cowards.
The person he chooses will be at the center of the plan to conquer Paradis, the successor to the armored Titan.
That's Reiner, bro, right? That's Reiner. Wait, oh, what's this? I've never... The other side of the sea. Ooh.
The armored Titan.
I wonder which one of us it'll be.
A train. An armored train. Equipped with 2 big guns in the front and 2 more in the back.
Damn.
They're the Allied forces' newest weapons, anti-Titan cannons. They fire 150mm armor-piercing shells, capable of bringing down a Titan with a single shot.
That said, sir, if you really think I'm more valuable than 800 Eldian infantrymen, I get it. To think that you'd sacrifice that many soldiers just for me. I knew you loved me deep down, but I didn't know how to.
Fine.
Uh,
Go ahead.
No. Gabi.
Mark my words. I'll destroy that train and prove no warrior candidate deserves to inherit the armor more than me.
It's a woman. A girl, really. Looks like she's trying to surrender.
Yeah, right. Don't trust that she could be Eldian.
She's limping, as if she's wounded or something. Maybe her foot's been shackled?
Who cares? She probably is Eldian. Shoot her before she transforms.
I don't shoot kids. You've got the gun. If you want to shoot her, do it.
Shit.
No.
What the?
Here goes nothing!
oh, damn.
She pulled it off!
Galliard! You're up!
Damn it. You cowardly bastards. This is
Ooh.
exactly why. We should kill every one of you on sight.
Oh my god.
Gabi!
Yo! Yo!
Thank you!
Oh my fucking god. Yo, what's this song choice in my ear? I'm like ascending right now into the fucking heavens. I deadass don't know what to expect right now at all. Snipe his ass. Shit looks like fucking D-Day, bro. God damn. Bro, who the fuck is that, though? Oh, that dude looks like a menace. Oh, my God. Yo, Guppy. Above you. Yo! Oh, my God. Oh. I hate him. I fucking hate him. I can't wait to figure out who those Titans are.
What are you doing? Falco?
Come on! You know, this guy's done. He's in no shape to fight anymore.
Paratroopers are doomed.
Oh. Oh my God. I'm so scared. Ryder. Fucking Zeke, bro. Ole.
So badass.
Oh. Oh my God, bro. A bunch of naked fucking giants falling from the sky. God damn. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Dude, the blood looks so much better. Oh my God, he's like sucking on him like a little nookie.
People are all these walls.
Oi! Oh my fucking God. Ryder!
It's the armor! Kill it!
Oh. Oh my God, man. That's brutal. Damn.
The new anti-Titan shells. They can even pierce my armor.
Woo!
What hit me?
Oh my God. That one is a fucking cheat code, bro. Holy. Bro's using a tank as a shield. I'm scared. Oh my fucking God. First episode of the season, by the way. Out of 30, by the way.
It's done.
Fucking Zeke just strolling in. Monkey! No, not the fucking throwing arm.
After 4 long years, we're about to win.
I have nightmares from this. Oh. Oh my God. What the fuck was that? Damn. She's like the fucking Titanic. That's bad. I shouldn't
Following
have
the
said that.
loss of their fleet, the Mid-East Allied forces had no choice but to sign a peace treaty on Marley's terms. It was a long, difficult war for Marley.
Is that episode 1?
But it did end in victory.
Who the fuck is that?
So, Draven, what you think?
Rhina's dead?
You're just gonna have to watch.
Oh my fucking pussy fart in my face. God
Maybe you won't.
damn.
Maybe you won't get that Aaron versus Reiner fight again.
I'll be so pissed. No, I have to, because I feel like I saw it in the trailer. Whatever.
You saw both
Damn.
of them. You didn't see them fight though.
Fuck, man, that was good. That was good. First episode, by the way.
The first fucking episode.
Oh my god, bro! And all the Titans are coming from the. I like the anti-fucking tank missiles though. Those are sick. God damn. What
They
threw?
got trains.
What? What threw all those missiles back though? No, they shot missiles.
Those are ships. Those are like battleships.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that was good. It was a good episode. All right, on to episode 2.